Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. Thanks so much for being here. So glad you're aboard. And today we take a look at the top 3 automatic investing apps. Let's get right to it. You know, building wealth typically requires regular savings and a disciplined approach to investing. Unfortunately, these things are easier said than done. Thankfully, there are automatic investing apps that make it easier for regular people like you and me to become excellent investors. After reviewing more than 24 investment apps, no kidding, plus brokerage apps and micro-investing apps, we've somehow narrowed it down to the top 3 automatic investment apps. Before we get to the apps, though, let's talk about what makes an automatic investment app great. These days, most investment platforms allow some form of intelligent automation. They are making it easier than ever for investors to set it and forget it when it comes to their investments. However, great automation is more than just allowing users to automatically transfer funds to their accounts. For an investment app to be great, we considered 4 major criteria. First, DRIP. The app must offer a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP. This allows investors to keep growing their shares. Number 2 we looked at was easy auto transfer. You know, one of the keys to long-term investing success is saving often. Great automatic investing apps make it easy to set up transfers from savings to investment accounts. Number 3, low costs. Each app listed offers commission-free trades and doesn't charge a management fee. Fees aren't always the killer of investment performance, but they can add up if you're investing frequently. Fractional shares, another thing we look at. Each investment app allows users to invest in partial shares of stocks or ETFs, so all the money in their account is working hard. Also, rebalancing technology. Rebalancing a portfolio is difficult to do manually, but easy for computers to do. Robo-advisors specialize in rebalancing, but some apps offer in-app rebalancing options. After considering all of the factors, these are our top 3 automatic investing apps. Drum roll, please. Number 1, M1 Finance. So M1 Finance frequently tops our best of investment lists, and for good reason. Its top-notch interface, low fees, and customizable investment pies make it a great choice for investors seeking a disciplined but unique investing experience. M1 Finance allows users to opt into AutoInvest. With AutoInvest, M1 Finance's algorithms will rebalance your portfolio anytime you have at least $25 in cash in the account. This smart rebalancing automatically keeps investors more in line with their stated goals. Since M1 Finance supports Roth, traditional, and SEP IRAs, it allows many investors to automate tax-advantaged investments. It also supports individual and joint brokerage accounts. And number 2 on the list, Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolio is a free robo-advisory service for people with at least $5,000 in their accounts. The app makes it easy to set up recurring transfers to the account. Whenever money hits the account, Schwab automatically invests the money to rebalance the portfolio. However, the app also follows tax loss harvesting laws to help minimize taxation, only for taxable accounts with balances over $50,000 though. This type of efficient investing is somewhat complex to do manually, so it's nice to see the robots taking over complex but routine tasks. Know your role, robots. Don't take over the world, please. The Intelligent Portfolio app allows users to select from several different pre-designed portfolios that invest in 51 broadly diversified, low-cost ETFs. Okay, so the only major drawback here to the Intelligent Portfolios app is the high cash position. Most portfolios hold between 6 to 30% of the portfolio in cash, which can be a drag on the overall performance of the portfolio, especially when the investment horizon is several decades. And number 3 on our top 3 list, Robinhood. Robinhood is known for its commission-free trades, but also has excellent automation features. It allows users to set up recurring investments, which can allow even smaller investors to dollar cost average into some of their favorite positions. Robinhood doesn't have smart rebalancing options, but it does give investors a fine-toothed comb for their portfolios. Robinhood is so easy to use, and the recurring investment option is easy to find within the app. Investors can change or increase their recurring investments whenever they want, so you won't be locked into bad positions for too long. Investing apps to watch out for. Here are the best of the rest. While we chose just 3 top automatic investing apps, there are a few others that just missed the cut. These honorary mentions deserve a shout-out, as they can be a good fit for certain investors. Webull is a great app for automating active trading. With no commissions and a wealth of information, it's a top choice for active traders. But it's also a great place for investors looking to automate their buying. Automating active trading may be anathema, but in this case, we mean that it allows users to set up buy and sell prices that the app then handles. This is far easier in Webull than in most apps. However, this brokerage doesn't support fractional shares at this time. Public offers DRIP, but it doesn't offer an obvious way to set up recurring investments at this time. Part of this might be intentional. Public wants users to buy into the social aspect of stock market investing, and automated investing doesn't fit with that. However, we're watching this rising star that already promotes fractional share investing and commission-free trading. Bloom, with 3 O's, offers 401k and other account management. At just $120, this is a great deal for investors who have iffy options in their 401k plans. Several robo-advisors, including Wealthfront and Betterment, just missed the cut as top investing apps too. The modest fees and limited control over portfolio selection gave us some pause in calling them a top automated investing app. However, they make it easy for investors to save and manage their portfolios automatically. And you might be asking yourself after all of that, why don't micro-investing apps make this list? I have some of those. All right, so micro-investing apps are apps that specialize in investing tiny amounts of money. They often give users the ability to buy fractional shares using just a few bucks at a time. They may even connect to your checking account and roll up transactions to the nearest dollar and then skim the extra into your investment account. The idea behind micro-investing apps is that a little bit of savings goes a long way. In some ways, that's absolutely true. However, most people will need to invest more than spare change to achieve their long-term financial goals. When users compare the relatively small investment balances to the modest fees, usually $1 to $3 a month, the tiny investments have shockingly high fees. For most people, setting up a $20 to $25 per week auto transfer will yield better results than micro savings. So the big question, should you use an automatic investing app? Well, if you're serious about building wealth, we do recommend employing some sort of helpful automation to keep you moving in the right direction. Simple steps like setting up recurring transfers to your investment accounts can ensure you're moving in the right direction. People who enjoy playing around in their investment account, reading investment news, and researching new stocks probably don't need to employ specific investing automation technologies beyond regular savings. If this is you, you can likely trust yourself to buy new stocks and keep yourself invested. However, those who aren't disciplined about tracking investments and buying new shares should absolutely consider automatic investments to stay invested. Life happens, but most people want to stay invested even when they can't stay attuned to their portfolio. For those in this category, automatic investing apps are a great fit. And you can see links to all of these apps to just find out more about them at thecollegeinvestor.com. We have all kinds of resources while you're there too. Again, it's thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Had a great time, and we'll talk to you again real soon.